Okay, day is done, and so is the 2019 GMC Sierra. I gotta say, I shoot a lot of videos of a lot of new trucks, and this one is pretty darn cool. I've been waiting a little bit. I can't say a long time, but I've been waiting to get a hold of the 2019s, either a Chevy or a GMC. I'm really glad that it's a GMC first, because obviously it's an upgraded package from the Chevrolet, but this one right here is amazing. We did, of course, a 7-inch suspension lift. There were a few different changes in the way that the vehicle is assembled, mainly in the control arms, differential, that sort of thing. But just wanted to give you all a moment to take a look at what one looks like. If you've never seen one at all, they're amazing. If you've never seen one lifted, it's even more amazing. Look at that grille. I'm also going to get a little bit of a sneak peek on the inside while we still can. Look at that brand new interior. Sneak around just a little bit. You know what? I'm actually going to go in the rear. Yeah. 2019 GMC Sierra. And there you have it, folks. It's Trent with 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of Badass Lifted Trucks. If you've got a 19 and you want to get it lifted, feel free to give me a shout. 469-424-002 HSS for Trent. Check us out online, 4x4works.com, Facebook, Instagram, or come on by to see us. McKinney, Texas. Thank you so much.